We just won on NQ early. Literally, I didn't even hear order submitted. It was just like, target filled. Target filled, target filled. Okay. Okay. So, 2 for 2 on the day on the standard algorithms. Posting the link for YouTube. The market opened and moved quick. It was ready, Andrea. It was ready. We're at the magic line right now, down at, what is that, 480? God, my eyes are getting bad. Good morning, good morning. I'm walking on my treadmill, so whoever said yesterday that I have a loud washer, I promise it's not a washing machine. It's like a walking pad or whatever. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. You come in YouTube. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. It's 9:32. Oh yeah, same here, Irma. I can post mine too. So we're all posting our payouts from Apex and how many days it took after getting the PA account. I think one of mine was like literally 10 days. It was 11 days, 14 days, and 24 days. And I'm really not on top of Apex like I should be. Because if I was more serious, oh, they extended their sale for another month or something. Same here, Irma. Look at these $2,000 payments. Within 11 days of having a PA, because you have to trade 10 days before they let you take a withdrawal. So one of mine was 11 days. Irma's, one of hers was 10 days. One of mine was 14 days. One of mine was 24 days. That one, I think I forgot about it. And I was like, oh shoot, I have this PA. I need to trade on it. Yes. Let me tag Dell. Oh, nice, Irma. She made 125 instead of 100. Dell just got a payout. He was so excited. He told me, so I was like, oh, let me ask him. Carlos said his was in 10
Order
days.
Submitted.
Nice job, Carlos. Yes, early. Is ES early a no today? Because I think it is. It's in a long. Oh, ES early is green again. All right, we're moving back up. Let's go, ES early. Let's go. It's on the top screen. I can move it over a little bit. Let's go. So it's been
Target filled.
Target filled. 3 for 3 on the day. We're standard algorithms. 3 for 3, and it's 9:35 in the morning. We need some apples in the chat. Oh yeah, I put payout question / post. That's it, Will. That's it. All right, so NQ evening, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. Listen, we're out of April. Are you guys ready to win? We're out of April. April is the hardest month of the entire year. The past 3 years has been the same way. We're out of April. Let's go. Now today is FOMC, so I told some of my manual students to just take their time, be careful. Nice job, Carlos. Made a few bucks with NQ early. Look at that, $200 across all of his accounts. Nice job. Cameron, target definitely filled, just ran from the garden. He was in the garden, and he's making $900 while in the garden. Okay. Ken, pre-market, $100 on all of his accounts. Dana is teaching in Vegas. He is one of my presenters. He has a lot of secrets about gold and oil that he can't wait to give to my Vegas attendees, the students that are coming. Beast is another one of the presenters in Vegas. And this is pre-market. He'll end up making $4,000 to $5,000 on every account. Michael Thorson said 11 days and 18 days for my last 2 payouts. Michael, can you take a picture and put it in the payout thread if you don't mind? I had someone last night that was kind of like a naysayer, like, well, I haven't had a payout and I don't think anyone else has either. And I'm like, what? That's absolutely nowhere near true. Because the thing with Slack that sucks, if I don't pay $3,000 a month, things disappear after 90 days. So we had a payout thread from December that was like so full of people in their payouts. Obviously that was like for September, October, or November, December, something like that, whatever it was. But it had like 150 replies. Dell just posted his, nice job. Nice job, Dell. And it took Dell 18 days on that account. So Michael said it took him 11 days on one and 18 days on the other. Nice job. So you get that funded account. You have to trade a minimum of 10 days. So the number's at least going to be 10 days. Then after that, you can take a withdrawal. Maybe it takes you 11 days, maybe it takes you 13 days, because again, the withdrawals aren't just every day of the week. It's the 1st through the 5th you can request a withdrawal, and then it's the 15th through the 20th. So if you hit your 10 days on the 30th of the month, you can't withdraw on the 30th of the month. You have to wait for the next day on the 1st, so then it will show 11 days when you made your withdrawal, because you're withdrawing on the 1st. Yeah, you definitely have to be patient, Jared said. Will said, I take what I need and I leave the rest to stack for his cushion. Nice job. 18 days, 29 days, 46 days, 60 days. And listen, when you first start, especially because Will has a very patient, small approach. Ooh, look at that pullback to that weekly. Because Will has that, if we break this 80 here, that would be a nice short. But because of Will's approach, when you first start, when he first started, it's probably taking him a little longer to get to the PA status and then to get to the funded status. I mean, the PA status, which is the funded status, and then to get through. Obviously 10 days is easy to get through, but if you're only making $50 to $100 every day, it's going to take you a while to get to that cushion where you're comfortable taking $500 out or $1,000 out. So but what I see happen with the people that aren't getting payouts
submitted
or aren't successful right now, ES Oracle's in a short, is that they are trying to just beat the clock. They're oversizing on everything.
Order canceled.
All right, so it's
Order submitted.
$125 loss. That one's still in. Ooh, Scalper's in a long. Santa is in a long. First trade today. See if we can push back up. And so they get discouraged because, you know, it's a 1 day to pass eval. So what they do is they kind of go YOLO, and maybe they pass the eval. Okay, so yeah, you pass the eval in a day or two. Nice job, Marco. Jeremy said it's a patience game for sure. So yeah, maybe you pass the eval in 1 day, but then is your mindset ready to then go slow and steady for the next 2 to 3 weeks while you build that cushion? Like, you want to be making 100 to 200 to 300 a day, and that's it. You're not going to be making $3,000 in a day, because if you do that, you're risking so much that you're probably going to bust that newly funded PA account. All right, green 165 on this long now on Santa. So you have to be ready to kind of rewire your mind. If you want to YOLO on the evals, I don't care. That's $30 out of your pocket. If you don't care, I don't care. But then you have to rewire, and I'm sorry if I'm out of breath because it's been like 2.5 hours that I'm walking on this treadmill, but if you want to get a PA and keep that PA, you have to approach it with a more conservative mindset. And the trailing drawdown goes away after you hit that goal again. So say you make $3,000 over 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, it took you 2 or 3 weeks, but now you don't have a trailing drawdown at all anymore, and all of that $3,000 is yours. You could then go and withdraw 500 if you want. You could withdraw 1,000. Now, we kind of typically suggest that people get to a $5,000 cushion or a $6,000 cushion. So if you have a crappy day, like red $1,000 or red $1,500, it's not going to ruin your PA account. Again, it's all about conserving the PA. There's a report in 3 minutes, 2 minutes now.
Order
Thanks,
submitted.
Jeremy. This is Santa's first trade. It went green.
Order filled.
180, but that was all she wrote. Oh shit. I'm at a short for 270 on this. Should have been a little more prepared for this. Fuck. Give me my mouse.
Order filled.
They might keep dropping, but the report's about to come out in 1 minute. Santa, the long, and then it grabbed that short because the one I have on the eval, I made the offset a little smaller just because I figured today was going to be really volatile. And I'm taking 3 minis. So I just want to see that's kind of like a YOLO. So I'm risking $30
Order submitted.
to pass this account, and maybe not necessarily 1 day, but maybe in 2 or 3 days. Well, clearly I should have stayed in this short. I got out at 15 points ago. What's 15? What's 15 points? $300? That's $900 on this short with 3 minis. Oh, listen, go fuck me. Then it would have been $1,200 on the day. Jeez Louise. Oh, whatever. This is why you don't touch stuff. I was kind of like, oh, the report's coming out. It's 9:45 now. Oh, and it's still going. Like, that short is still valid. Super valid. I am getting hot. Let's see what I'm at. Oh. 2 hours. Oh, there was 20 minutes it didn't track.
Order canceled.
I paused it at the beginning of my student call, and I forgot to unpause it. I hate when I forget to unpause my workout. All right. So the report happened. We're bouncing off the magic line like crazy, which is at that 480 level on NQ. See if Santa wants to take a long here in a bit. I'm going to kind of keep it Santa focused. NQ early already hit, NQ evening hit, ES early already hit, so 3 for 3 across the board on the standard algorithms. Good job. Thank you, Dell. Nice job, Carlos. Carlos already took out $1,500. He is new to the group. $1,500. And it was after 10 days, so the minimum. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I think Carlos just changed his picture. Well, good job for paying yourself, Carlos. Carlos is not new to the group. He changed his picture. I thought it was someone new because it had a motorcycle.
Order submitted.
$1,500, $1,000. Nice job, Carlos. No, I don't play with them, Michael. Sorry, I just saw your comment. I really try not to play with them. I left everything on. If I'm ever turning something off, I announce it in the announcement channel with capital letters, and then I also put it in the regular chat. Yes, very true. RTY's in a short on Oracle. Green, $30, $35. CL Oracle at $100 loss. That's fine. See if it picks it back up. So this 480 is still holding crazy. I want to take a picture for you guys. The magic line has really held all morning.
Order canceled.
And that's also really helpful if you want to intervene in any way or not. So if you were in that short on Santa and you had the magic line open next to it, you could say, well, 480 has been really strong all morning. You know, if it gets to 480, I'm going to close it out, or I'm going to move my trail down, or what have you. But you have the ability to do that. Also, if you're a student, obviously you know what levels you have. Yes, Carlos, I want to see your beautiful face, okay? Don't be hiding it with some motorcycle picture. All right, it's 9:50. We're back to that 480 level. No trades happening right now. There's another report at 10 o'clock in 10 minutes. I'll probably stop my walking at 10 o'clock and hang out for a little bit. And then I need to do some strength training this morning. And then I'm going to take my laptop and go do a bunch of work. I went to pickleball yesterday and like no one was there. I was like, this isn't worth it. And I had already done like 20,000 steps. So I was like, I'm just going to go to Whole Foods. So I went to Whole Foods with my laptop and just hung out. And did some work. Plus, I need, with my call from my CPA yesterday, I need to go through some stuff.
Order submitted.
All right. Santa's in along. Let's see. Can we get over this 17,500? That's what we need to do. All right, green 210, because remember, I'm taking 3 minis on this eval. We're at 17,498, 499. Let's go. Push. Push, push, push. When this goes positive 200, the stop loss, which is the purple line, will move itself back up. It will move itself up into the positive region, so it'll be a guaranteed green trade at that point. But we have to get up there first. We got to get above that 500, stay above that 500. That 510 was the last kind of high we had, so see if we can get above 500 and then to 510 or above 510. It's 9:52. I can't wait for Vegas. I'm so excited. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I could stop.
Order
Stop is 84.
filled.
All right, got stopped there. It's okay.
Order filled.
It happens. Really just tight between this 80 and 500. Just a channel for now. It's Taco Bell time too. I could make a third split on Santa, take away Taco Bell time. All right, a few more minutes, then I'm gonna. Oops, shit, sorry. I have a box on my desk. Yeah, I need 9 more minutes. I have a box on my desk because I need my keyboard and mouse to be higher. Since I work in a closet, there's a shelving unit that doesn't allow my standing desk to go higher, so I have to keep it at this height when I'm walking, but then my keyboard and mouse are too low. This runs over 500 here. I'm gonna be like, damn it. I'm trading the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, so NQ, ES, CL, GC, RTY, YM, PL, SI, a whole bunch of products. They're all being automatically traded for me. Automated trading through my algorithms that I've created. We're already 3 for 3 on the day, on the standard algorithms. Even on the premium, not much has happened so far today because the ES Oracle's in timeout anyway, so that $100 loss isn't really much. Ooh, we broke that 80. See if we come back to 80. I would be willing to take a short.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Came back to 80.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can break 75 and go lower. Break
Order
75,
submitted.
break 70. RTY Oracle is also in a short here. Alright, we're at 80. See if we can stay under now. Oh, popped up to 83. Remember, we do have a high impact report at 10 o'clock, so it may just be shit until
Order
after
canceled.
10:05, which is typical when you have these high impact reports at 10 o'clock, which is why Taco Bell time is a thing. We also have this weekly level. Oh, that's 70. So if we can break 70, we can definitely go lower. We're at 75. $73.
Order filled.
Alright, I grabbed a little scalp there to bring back some of the scalper loss I had, so that's good. On that last trade. So 70, 80, 500, there's a lot of levels in this area where the price is just getting stuck.
Order submitted.
Alright, Santa's in a short. Santa is in a short. Green $500 here at 67.
Order filled.
All right. I moved my trail down, so I hit, but shit, I probably shouldn't have. Whew. Yo, I'm hot. What did I say? Like 9 more minutes? I got like 5 more minutes.
Order submitted.
NQ Oracle's in a short. Let's go. This hit $22,000 yesterday. It hit $1,000 on Monday. It might be ready to come back out and play. Somebody said yesterday, oh, well, it might be ready to play. So I put it on like one of my accounts and I was like, okay. But this is what we want. We want it to come back to be more reliable. What typically happens, the pattern I see is 5 or 6 weeks of it doing really well, and then a week or 2 of some crap. But it seems like that was right around earnings. So if we know that in the future, then we can size down going into earnings. And if it misbehaves during earnings the first week or the second week, well, then we just put it on sim. Just don't run it. All right, green. On this Oracle short, it's pumping back up a little. Remember, there is a report in 2 minutes. There is a report. What speed am I coming at? Oh, I was doing 5. We'll stay there. I might go down to 4.5. All right, so Oracle is on sim. This is on sim because it was misbehaving, like I said, during earnings, so it hasn't proven itself to me yet. But it did do really well yesterday and on Monday. So we'll see if it rounds out the week doing well. Back up to that 70 level. Remember, there's a level at 70, level at 80, and then the whole number at 500. Sorry, I'm just like moving you guys a little bit. Yeah, exactly. She needs to be just put in timeout for a little bit. Oh, we went back to 80.
Order filled.
We went back to 80.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's at 75. Is it going to break 70 or is it going to go back over 500? Report in less than a minute. Either it's going to break 70 and drop, or it's going to go above 500 and run. All right, we're at 69.
Order filled.
It's figuring itself out. Report's about to come out in 2 seconds. All
Order
right,
canceled.
we're at 90. Back down to 80.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Dropped a bit. It's at 65. All around. All right, so the short was it. NQ Oracle did get tagged on that swipe up before, but it was in the right direction. It did get tagged on that loss beforehand, but it was in the right direction, which is good to see. But these high impact reports, they love to go up and take out those stops. So, makes sense. All right, let me check my...
Order submitted.
All right, I see that.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I have 1 minute. 1 minute left.
Order submitted.
What is these orders submitted? What is the order submitted? Ooh, we're in a long on Santa. Green, $400, $500, guaranteed green on this long. Ooh, $600 on 1 mini. Let's freaking go. I got 3 minis on my eval. Green, $700,
Order canceled.
$900 on this long, $1,000 on the long.
Order filled.
All right, I moved my trail up. This is still going. $600 on one mini. $600 on one mini. Santa so far on the day, if you with no touching, was right like 300. So it's gonna put you in the green here, especially if you trail up. I just grabbed like 900 off of that. So this brand new account, I'm up $1,200 on the day, just running Santa. Probably could have been more, but it is what it is. All right, it's 10:02. I think I can slow down my walk now. All right, my legs are like fucking jello. I love how I go from like not walking at all to walking like 3 hours every day now in the last 2 weeks. Okay, $520. See if we can get over this 500 because we're still not. 200 from a new PA. Thank you, Santa. Very good. Oh, I went and got a massage yesterday because Jen said I should and Glenn said I should. Some other people said I should. All right, 7 miles. 7.06. But there was more because there was 20 minutes of walking that I freaking had my workout paused. So probably 7.5 miles. Maybe closer to 8 miles. Yesterday I did like 7.89 with 2.5 hours. So probably similar. Thanks, Jen. Yeah, the massage was good. But it's nothing compared to the massage I'm going to have very soon in Vegas. Very soon. I'm so excited. It's the best massage ever. If I lived in Vegas, I would go see Eric probably once a week. If not twice a week. Like it might be like a Wednesday, Friday thing. Tuesday, Friday. I don't know. But it's so good. Alright, so still in this long $350 on Santa. It is flagging for a
Order
short.
submitted.
So now I'm in the short on my other account since I trailed. But it's not in it on that account because it's still in the long. And the long hasn't finished.
Order submitted.
So now it's in the short now that it tagged that. Whew. We're under 80 and we're under 70. So could be ready to go. I moved that one kind of quick. The second oracle right after getting slapped. Why though? Well, and that's why it's on Sim. That's why it's on Sim. Okay, okay. Oh, Brandon said I lost my PAs. Good thing I can pass an eval like butter. Nice job, Brandon. I think I'm going to call it a day. All green. Nice. Oh, Carlos, you changed your picture back. Yay. Your beautiful face with the beanie. Perfect. Cameron has a beanie on too in his picture. Did you see that? All right. I'm just putting emojis on folks. Their results. $300 on this short. That's $900 on my three minis, but I trailed it way too close and probably got like $100. Freaking Lauren. Lauren. What a waste. The only thing with Santa is you want to be careful. If it goes really green, like 900, and then it comes back and it hits the offset for 200, remember that $700 is going to go against you in the trailing drawdown. So
order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm in this long, but I don't really like it. We'd have to get over 70 and 80. Like, I want it to do it, but I don't really love this long.
Order filled.
Green $90. Oh, there we go. Green 130. When it goes positive 200, the purple will move up. 2 p.m. news. I'm running Santa on a new eval. We're getting approval today. Oh, just be careful. Y'all make it crazy. I like to do it after Powell starts speaking, like 235, 240. I find to be a nice sweet spot, but yeah. Listen, green, there we go, green 225. Again, I closed this one way too early because that would be $600.
Order
I need
filled.
to stop touching this shit, okay? I think I got $15 on that trade. I was going to go back to this chart. So we had to move up to 516, but not to the 530 that I wanted. And then we've kind of just curled since then. Again, where did the price just go here? If you're part of the mentorship, you know this. It went to 70, 75, and went back down. That 70 is that weekly level. All right, well, I can't be mad. I'm green $1,300 on a brand new eval, so. This may be an end of the night right now.
Order submitted.
What are we flagging on Santa? Sure. After reading the print post of how not to blow your Apex account and taking the mentorship, I made a second cash account with $300 and applying
Order
it. The account is
submitted.
now $4,000. Listen and apply to Lauren. Nice job, Mike. I'm going to take a picture of that and put it in the group. I probably need to repost that. How to not bust your Apex account. All right, green 200 on this short. Let me see this one. Oh, yeah, I'm green 885. Let's fucking go.
Order
I'm about to pass
submitted.
this eval. You know I'm trailing
Order
this shit now.
filled.
$1,700 just on Santa today. I'm green $2,000 on this account. $2,000 and the target is $3,000. So I'm $1,000 away. Guaranteed green on this Santa short. Damn, 400 on this Santa short now. And I'm out of it on my eval. Damn. Time to make an espresso. Let's all go for a walk. I appreciate it, Brandon. Yeah, the helpful info channel is helpful info. So make sure you guys are utilizing it. How to not blow an Apex account. It's also given... I think I saved this PDF. Let me grab it. How to not blow an Apex account. Alright, I just repinned it. The last time I did it was in March, so. But I do give it now to every new person when they join. It's like part of the... It's part of the standard. Alright. Our next new member Zoom call will be on Wednesday, May 29th. Green $410 on this short. Everything is on a June contract. Make sure you guys Or update that. Apex payout rules. That's another good thing. Carlos created that. $450 on this short. On Santa. Listen, I love a good walk. All right, but I'm about to go do some strength training. 500 on this short while I'm staying here. This would have been 1,500 on my freaking eval. This one trade, $1,500. I got out at 53. I got out at 53. What are we at? 35. Like 20 extra points. That's $1,200 extra dollars I left on the table. RTY Oracles in a short for $150. But I made 2,000 on my evals, so it can't be that bad. Oh, NQ Oracles also in a short, green, 500, but it's red 1,000 on the day. See if it can hit that target and then be close to even. All right, $530 on this short sell.
Order canceled.
All right, it hits.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh gosh, I got to be careful with this because I don't want to. I'm gonna probably turn this off soon because I don't. Oh, $400 on this long now. I don't want to.
Order filled.
All right, guaranteed green. All right. I'm turning this off on my Apex.
Order
my
canceled.
Damn! 300 on the long now. Santa's catching all of the directions. Do you see this? Do you see this? All of the directions. Now, no touching. You're only green like 500 on the day. But, or like 500, 600. But if you were doing a little bit of touching here, you would be very, 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 very green. All right, I turned off Santa on my eval on the other VPS. So that's done. All right. It's probably going to hit the offset here. I'm going to go ahead to the gym. It's 10:15. And then, oh no, it's still going. 220 on the long. And then I'm going to be on my laptop for the rest of the day trying to sort out some work stuff, get some more Vegas stuff together. I'm super excited. Can't be scared in here, just careful. Well, like I thought about it, I was like, oh shit, I don't think I want this long, and I was already up 2,000 on that account, so I was like, meh. But I was able to get it in the green, a few hundred, so. But yeah, you're totally right, Will. You're totally right. All right, I'm going to wrap it up because then I want to take a shower too before the pollen has been so bad. So bad. I want to just itch the hell out of my eyes, but I'm trying not to. All right, Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. The Apex
Order
sale
filled.
is still going on. So Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. Andon possibly be live from 5 to 7. Kyle will be live from 6 to 9. Kyle will be live on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Kyle _ BoldBot on Twitch, or BoldBot _ Kyle. Regardless, I think it's Kyle _ BoldBot. But he was on last night, super cool, so make sure you check him out. And have a great day.